over though. Right here, dear.
Yep, I'm gonna get there.
Sorry.
Look at you. I don't think I've ever seen you grin that big.
Locking us in.
I know. They've locked the Dementor inside.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. That's her family, the Dementors.
Nice. Do you know these? Oh, you didn't bring your wand. You can't fight off the Dementors.
Oh no! Oh, I'm already down to 82%. How can I fix it?
It's what?
Battery pack.
There you go.
No,
Pretty
like,
much.
can I put it on something to make it not drain so fast? I'm technically
Did
challenged.
you check to see what all app
You don't know how to do that. It's an apple. Give me that.
That sounds like us.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, mom and dad are Apple and the kids are both
Because
Android.
Android's better.
Yes.
You don't have very much open.
You get unknown sources and have everything.
I even have an Android tablet.
Yeah. And
Nice.
the battery lasts so much longer.
Well, that phone is kind of old, sweetie.
Yeah.
I could have brought both.
So
I have an Android for my work phone, so I should have brought both of them.
I like my phone and Apple and my tablet and
Oh, gotcha.
Android.
Yeah.
And then I also know how to work both that way.